A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, lets you mask your IP and encrypt your traffic. Your online activities remain confidential and anonymous. Bitdefender VPN secures your internet connection across multiple platforms, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, so you stay protected when using public Wi-Fi in airports, malls, cafes or hotels. Plus, it lets you access geo-restricted content. Bitdefender VPN is available as a standalone service as well as part of our all-in-one plans. The Premium VPN subscription gives you unlimited encrypted traffic, the ability to choose your server, a kill switch for extra security, an Adblocker to get rid of annoying ads, and other cool features. You can find all the details on Bitdefender's website at www.bitdefender.com. Let's take a closer look at the user-friendly interface. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, Bitdefender Premium VPN offers a seamless experience. The VPN app features a map view, making it easy to select your preferred server location. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency. With the Connect button prominently displayed, starting your VPN is just a click away. Use the Locations menu to choose your VPN server by country or even by city in some cases. With more than 4,000 servers spread throughout 53 countries, including regions with restrictive internet policies, you'll always find a server that suits your needs. The last 5 locations you connected to are shown on the dashboard, allowing you to quickly reconnect to a previous location. Stay informed with real-time stats. Bitdefender VPN provides useful statistics, such as connection time and secured traffic, right at your fingertips. Now, let's dive into some of the advanced features that set Bitdefender Premium VPN apart. The features you get and how they are arranged can be a little different, depending on the operating system and the version of VPN you have installed. Automatic connection. We know that convenience matters. Whether you want to auto-connect on startup, when using specific apps, or for certain content types, Bitdefender has you covered. Next up, split tunneling. This feature allows you to route specific traffic outside the VPN connection. Ideal for low-risk, high-bandwidth activities, split tunneling gives you full control over your online experience. Ever experienced slow internet speed due to multiple apps competing for bandwidth? Bitdefender Premium VPN's App Traffic Optimizer lets you prioritize the traffic of up to 3 apps, ensuring faster speeds with the VPN. Say goodbye to annoying ads and invasive trackers with Bitdefender Premium VPN's built-in ad blocker and anti-tracker. The ad and tracker blocker removes those pesky ads, and you can even choose to allow ads from specific sites. Your browsing experience just got cleaner and safer. But what if your VPN connection drops? Bitdefender has you covered with its kill switch feature. It automatically blocks all traffic on your device, ensuring your data remains secure, even during brief interruptions. For those seeking an extra layer of security, Bitdefender Premium VPN offers double hop, which routes your internet traffic through 2 VPN servers instead of 1. Customize your route according to your needs. Bitdefender Premium VPN leverages advanced VPN protocols, including the custom Hydra VPN protocol and the industry-standard OpenVPN. While both the Android and iOS apps support the new WireGuard protocol, Bitdefender VPN for iOS also supports the IPsec protocol. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender support website.